What up, everybody? Just arrived in Manila. Just checked into my room. Staying at the Burst Tower. This one of the rooms owned by the Pacific Bay Suites. Just wanted to let you guys see what it's looking like. So let's go. So this is the entrance right here. Got a closet with a safe. Bolt it down. Storage areas. Come to the right, got the bathroom and everything. Shower. Got a hot water heater down there. Got the kitchen. Fridge. Small fridge. This ain't American size. I got some plates and everything down there. Couple bottles of water. And this the bedroom. Got a nice view of the city. And a chair to sit out there. Look at that view. That's what I'll be waking up to. Got me on the 44th floor. Stayed over there at that building last time. One with the red and white and blue stripes. But that's the room. So I'm about to get ready to get a shower and everything, head out for a little bit. So until next time, catch you later. Go to the gym. Pull it this way. It's cool. Crazy how close you is to the mall. Less than a little 2-minute walk. So right now I'm in the process of checking out my room, but they gotta check the room and everything. But I just want to show y'all guys how they got security and everything. So just not anybody can just walk up to your room and everything. Or let's say you have a visitor, they can't leave without you coming down with them. Another cool thing is they got like a convenience store in here, and also a laundry facility to wash and fold your clothes and everything. There go the prices right there. Your stuff will usually be ready the next day about 1 o'clock. So that's that.